Hi guys, welcome back to this very serious cooking channel. This week we are doing Crème Brûlée.
Alright, I know it's hard, but let's try to be serious for 2 minutes. In a large bowl, put 6 egg yolk and half a cup of white sugar. If you wanna get fancy, you can use the seed of 1 vanilla clove. If you don't have this, you can simply use the extract of vanilla. Now use your whisk and mix this vigorously until it's homogeneous. In a saucepan, add 2 cups of heavy cream and on medium-high heat, wait until it starts to bubbling and then kill the heat. Add the hot heavy cream into our egg yolk mixture very slowly and gradually. If you go too fast, you're gonna make scrambled eggs. When everything is mixed very well, transfer this into the recipient of your choice and pour this into ramekins. Put your ramekin into a large plate that goes in the oven and fill this with hot water about halfway to the ramekin's height. Then put this in a preheat oven at 325 for 30 to 40 minutes or until the center is barely set. When the cooking is done, remove it from the oven and let them cool down at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. Put them in the fridge for at least 2 hours or overnight is better. You can wait for 2 hours or find something else to do, it's your choice.
Alright guys, now we have our crème not brûlée yet, so we need to put some sugar on this. And when you play with fire in the kitchen, it's very important to have the safety first.
Alright, now you see the fun way to do crème brûlée. I will show you the proper way. First, you need to cover your custard with white sugar and with a blowtorch gently burn that sugar down. And the trick is not to put too much fire for too long, make pauses and let the sugar cool down.
Alright you guys, don't try this at home, it can be a little bit dangerous. So if you like this episode, leave a like, subscribe, and see you soon.